Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's all about daily technology. My name is Neetu Chandel. So today I have come up with a very interesting video about Fossil Generation 5 smartwatch. I'm going to share the specification, features and how that features are helping me as a part of daily life being that I'm going to share. So stay tuned. But before that, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. So let's begin the video. Welcome back guys. I'm going to share the specification, but before that, if you want to see unboxing and initial setup of Generation 5 Fossil smartwatch, then you can click on this I button. You will find one video and I hope that video will help you out. Coming to the Generation 5 feature related information, this particular watch is the third variant within the generation version of Fossil smartwatch. Prior to this, Generation 3 and Generation 4 were launched, and this is the upgraded and latest version which I am going to share and I have purchased. Now if I talk about in Generation 5, there are three variants they have launched. First one is the Carolil, second the Juliana and the third is the Garrett. All the watches are of same sizes, that is 44 by 12 case size, and of same prices. If I talk about stripe, those are actually interchangeable in all the three variants. So you can buy stripe of your choice from Fossil, or if you have of 22 size, you can change it as per your choice at your home, or you can get it changed at Fossil or any watch store. So that is completely like flexibility you have. You can change as per your style. Now coming back to the models, Carolin model comes in black and smoky stainless steel color. Juliana model comes in rose gold and pink color. That is rose gold with a turquoise shell leather stripe, rose gold with a mesh stripe, and one is rose gold with a regular stripe. The Garrett models are little chunkier and come in different 5 variants. So first one is dark gray stainless steel, second one is stainless steel with a blue silicon strap, third is stainless steel with a red and blue bezel, fourth is silver with a black silicon strap, and the fifth is yellow gold. Now let's talk about hardware and performance of this smartwatch. It has got Snapdragon Wear 3100 chip processor, which is not the latest, but still it is best among the other Wear OS watches. It has got 1 GB of RAM, which is again good in comparison to other Wear OS watches. Now if we talk about the memory, it has got 8 GB of memory to store any application or music on the watch, which is I guess very much sufficient. Its speaker module help you to speak to your watch through Google Assistant, as well as via your watch speaker you can listen to music. I don't think that is a good option because audio quality wouldn't be that much better as comparison to your phone or your music system. If we talk about the battery life is actually best. It has got the best battery life among various Wear OS smartwatches. It has got 3 different modes to select on. First one is daily mode. This keeps every feature of watch turned on. This actually drain your battery very faster. Second mode is extended battery mode, wherein you can set your Bluetooth on for a day schedule. After daytime, like it will automatically disconnect from your phone, keeping everything off except a button to wake up, vibration and notification. Third mode is custom battery mode, that allows you to turn on or off anything as per your convenience. Along with these 3 battery modes, it also gives you only time mode, wherein only time, date and Fossil logo will appear, wherein you can select and you can use it as standard watch. This is actually really popular in fitness crowd buyer because of 3 ATM water resistant rating as well as an altitude accelerometer and gyroscope built-in. Water resistant capacity keep it safe from rain or sweat. Accelerometer helps to measure acceleration of a moving or vibrating body. Altimeter helps in measuring altitude, and gyroscope basically uses Earth's gravity to measure orientation of the body. So this way they have an idea that how their body is reacting in different activity or while exercising.
Along with this, it has got other features like NFC near field communication. Via this, it can transfer files between two devices within 4 cm, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and heart rate sensor.
So if you talk about price, this is of around $295. In rupees, it is of 22,995 rupees. Overall, this was a steal deal for me because I am already using it since last 4 months and I am enjoying the feature because it is helping me in day-to-day activity. I hope the explanation which I have given you will help you to make a decision of buying this product or not, because ultimately it depends on your requirement, choice and budget definitely. On this note, I will take your leave with this belief that you have already subscribed my channel, and I will be meeting you soon with new videos and with new technology related information. Till then, bye bye, take care.